Another day, another English lesson expressing purpose, in order to, and, so that. Hi everyone. Today, we're going to learn two very useful phrases for talking about why we do something, in order to, and, so that. These phrases help us explain our goals or reasons for doing something. Let's look at them one by one. 1. In order to. We use in order to explain why we do something. It's like saying, I do this because I want to achieve that. Structure. In order to plus base verb. Examples. I study hard in order to pass my exams. The purpose of studying hard is to pass exams. She saves money in order to buy a new car. The purpose of saving money is to buy a new car. Key idea. In order to focuses on your goal or what you want to achieve. 2. So that. We also use so that to explain why we do something. However, it focuses a little more on the result or purpose of the action. It's like saying, I do this to make something else happen. Structure. So that plus subject plus verb. Examples. I study hard so that I can pass my exams. The result of studying hard is passing exams. She saves money so that she can buy a new car. The result of saving money is to buy a new car. Key idea. So that focuses on the result or purpose of your action. Quick tips to remember. In order to is followed by the base verb. Example. I wake up early in order to catch the bus. So that is followed by a clause with a subject and verb. Example. I wake up early so that I can catch the bus. Now, watch and complete the sentences with in order to or so that. One. I practice speaking English in order to improve my pronunciation. 2. She wears sunglasses in order to protect her eyes from the sun. 3. He turned off the lights so that he could save electricity. 4. They planted trees in order to make the park greener. 5. She locks the door so that nobody can get in. 6. She bought a map so that she could find her way around the city. 7. She drinks water every day in order to stay healthy. 8. He took a taxi so that he could arrive at the meeting on time. 9. They cleaned the kitchen in order to prepare for the party. 10. I wrote a shopping list so that I wouldn't forget what to buy. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT videos. See you soon, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.